This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. The Tamil family. There's been a Tamil refugee family making news for the last couple of years trying to gain entry to Australia, and one of the stunts they pulled was to have a child. Now that child's rather ill and recently was flown off Christmas Island in a Learjet like rock star royalty, with all you left-winger softies out there jumping up and down demanding that they be let into Australia. Meanwhile, children and elderly people all over this country with major illnesses get nothing and sit and wait in the queue. In fact, I know a young 30-year-old who got a brain aneurysm last week and got absolutely no help as her parents had to drive her into Melbourne from the country and then had to wait a week at their own expense to get seen to and get things done. And yet these people came here illegally. He knew he came here illegally. And yet you do-gooders want us to all open our arms and open our borders. And as soon as you do these things, the floodgates open. For God's sake, wake up to yourselves and start looking at some of the Australians who already live here, who pay their way, who are getting nothing. This is Harry Vocal.